Hi everyone. Here I am going to explain about the liquid measurement. Okay, it is relating to the grade 9 syllabus. Grade 9 syllabus. It is it is ninth lesson. Okay. Today I am going to explain with examples, and also I will put a PDF with that examples. Okay, very first example. Now listen. The internal length, width and height of the container in the figure in brackets rectangle are 40 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. This container has been filled with water up to a height of 8 centimeter, and they are asking from us the capacity of the container. Second one, the volume of water required to fill the whole container. Third one, the volume of water in the container if the container is filled with water only up to a height of 8 cm. Okay. Before that, this is our lesson. Okay, liquid measurement. Liquid measurement. Liquid measurement. 9 lesson. Liquid measurement. Okay. Before this example, I would like to explain about the lesson briefly. Okay, think. We have cube. This is cube, and its length is 1 centimeter, as well as width is 1 centimeter, and its height is 1 centimeter. Now we are going to find out volume of this cube. Volume. Okay, volume of this cube. We can find out from this: length multiply width multiply by height. I think you can see very well. I will write length, width and multiplied by height. Okay. Now, what is the length? 1 cm. 1 cm, and so 1 cm. What is the final value? 1 cubic centimeter. Okay. Write down this. Draw the figure and write down this. Stop the video and write down this. Okay. Next part. Let's think. Now we have cubic is 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter. Firstly, we have find out 1 cubic centimeter. Like before that, I did 1 meter multiply 1 meter multiply Why? Length is 1 meter, width is 1 meter, as well as height is 1 meter. Because of that, we can obtain volume of this cube 1 cubic meter. Now we write in this place 1 cubic meter. This is very important for a calculation. 1 cubic centimeter we can equal, okay, what is the value? 1 milliliter. 1 milliliter. How to find out this? By that 1 cubic meter equal 100 centimeter multiply 100 centimeter multiply by 100 centimeter. From that we can obtain 1 is 1 2 3 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6. This one equal to what? Milliliter. To find out how about the liter value, we can divide by 1000. Why? 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Now we can find out 1000 liter. 1000 of liter equal to 1 cubic meter value. Okay, have you understand? Please write down, clearly write down how I obtain it. Stop the video and write down. It is very easy, no? You can understand well. How I obtain? I multiply 1 cubic meter. 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. Why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to explain about the examples. Okay. According to first example. Now I am going to draw the figure. Here the figure. According to question. Okay. Length is equal to 40. What is the width value? It is what is the width value? It is 20 cm. Okay, as well as we have height of this figure. What is the height value? 15 centimeter. Now what is the first question? the capacity of the container. First question and first one. On the first question, okay. The capacity of the container. The capacity. Of the container. How to find out? Now we know length multiplied by width or height. Okay. Anything. Length, height, width or length with height. You can multiply it. This is not necessary. This respectively. Okay. Now length 4. Width. So this is width. Okay. Yeah. 15. Now find out. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. SLS. 8 multiplied by 5. This is a answer. Okay. This is first question. Okay. Now I am going to do second one. The volume of water required to fill the wall container. What they ask me? We obtain capacity is equal to 12,000 now. 12,000 now. Okay. 12,000. From these we can obtain, we know 1 cubic centimeter is equal 1 milliliter, as well as 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. From that we can obtain 12,000 milliliter divided by 1000. Why? 1000 milliliters is 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. 12 liter. To second. Okay. Now I am going to do third one. Read the question. The volume of water in the container, if the container is filled with water only up to a height of 8 cm, and they ask from us volume of the water of this container. Now 8 cm, height is 8 cm. Now how to find out? Very firstly we are going to find out capacity. Length, width and height. for 40, 20. Now what is the height? Tell it. 8. Now what is the value? 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 8, 16. Okay, now? Yeah. So 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 8, 64. 64. 0, 0. Cubic centimeter. As well as this is equal to. Okay. From these we can obtain, how about the liter value? Divided by 1000. Now what is the value? Final answer. This one I will write in this place. I don't have enough spaces. Volume. We can obtain 6.4 now liter according to this one. Okay. This is the final answer. 6.4. 6.4. Okay. Now I am going to do second one. Show that a barrel of capacity 15 liter can be filled completely by pouring water 15 times using a completely filled cube shaped container of side length 10 cm. Okay. Now very firstly we have to find out what is the capacity of, what is the volume of 10 cm 10 cm cubic. Okay, volume of this cube. For that volume of this cube, length multiplied by width and height. Ten. Okay, I think you can see well. 1, 1, 1. Final answer as well as it is equal to milliliter and it is equal 1 liter. 1 cubic centimeter equal 1 milliliter. 1000 milliliter equal 1 liter. Okay, 1000. Before that I told about these. Through this we can obtain 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. This is first step. Okay. First step. Okay. Now, what is the second step? I will erase this. Okay. Write down. Second mistake. They are telling, show that a barrel of capacity 15 liter can be filled completely by pouring water 15 times. 15 times. Now we know 1 liter volume, including this cube. And they are telling 15 liter barrel. Okay, 15 liter barrel. Okay, 15 liter barrel. Now what to do? Very simple. 15 liter divided by 1 liter. Why? From this can obtain 15 times. If you don't understand, try to read carefully your question. Okay? Again and again. Try to understand. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the last example. What is the last example? The length of an interior side of a cube-shaped tank is 1 meter. The tank is completely filled with water when a tap from which the water in the tank is discharged is open. Water flows out from the tank at a constant rate. Okay, constant rate. මොකද ඒකාකාරී ශීඝ්‍රතාවයක් තියෙනවා මෙතනට. වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. 50 liter per minute. Determine how long after the tap is open the tank becomes empty. If the water flows out at this constant rate. Okay. We have 1 cubic meter tank. 1 cubic meter tank. Okay. 1 cubic meter tank. As well as we know, volume of this cube or volume of this tank 1000 liter. And they are telling about the additional thing. Water flows out from the tank at a constant rate. 50 liter per minute. What is this? Huh? 50 liter per minute. What is this? 50 liter per minute. 50 liter per minute. මිනිත්තුවකට ලීටර 50ක් පිටතට යනවා ටැප් එකේ. ඔක තමයි කියන්නේ. කියන්නේ මිනිත්තුවකට ලීටර 50ක් පිටතට යනවා. ඒක හොඳට අවබෝධ කරගන්න. Okay. Now they are asking determine how long. They are asking from us about the time. Now we know volume of this tank, we know 1000 liter. We want to find out the time. About the time. liter. Then told us 50 liter per minute. Now we can divide by 50 liter per minute. 50 liter per minute. We can divide 20. What is the final answer? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. I think you can understand very well. Okay. This is the full answers of the given questions. If you have any doubt or question, please put a comment in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching.